How to find vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak developed in my truck, and when the engine's on, I can hear the hissing sound up in here. I'll show you, but I'm not sure if it's going to come up on the camera. You'll probably only hear the engine running. I'm going to show you a trick I learned. You use WD-40 to find the leak. Supposedly this is the safest way to do it, because using the other stuff like the carburetor cleaner and the starting fluid, those can catch fire. Let's see how good this WD-40 works. I hear the hissing noise in this area, so I'm suspecting that it's the throttle body gasket is leaking. There's a leak, so the engine's sucking in air through there. Another symptom that it has is that it's getting really crappy gas mileage as well. Let's turn it on and see if it'll do it. Watch the tachometer when I turn it on. Well, of course, it didn't do it that time, but you see it's having trouble idling. What it was doing before is it would go all the way up to 2,000 RPM when I first started. Could be too because the engine's still warm. Maybe it only does that on a cold engine. And it's running a little rough too. Alright, let's go out there with the WD-40 and try to find this leak.